It's finally time. The Mexican beach vacation you've been planning for months is upon you. And you arrive to find, yes, sparkling blue water and soft sands, but also something you perhaps hadn't envisioned, a whole lot of other people. Mexico's beauty attracts many, making it a popular destination. But what if you could enjoy its charm without the crowds? If you thrive on the energy of bustling places, dive right in. But if you prefer tranquility, stay tuned for some insider tips. First, check the holiday calendar, especially the public school calendar. Long weekends and holidays mean crowded tourist spots. Avoid traveling on quincenas, Mexico's payday periods. The 1st and 15th of each month see locals flocking to entertainment spots. Stay in the city when everyone else leaves. Semana Santa and summer breaks are perfect times to explore urban landscapes with less traffic. Travel during the off-season. Fewer tourists mean more breathing room and better prices, stretching your budget further. Get off the beaten path. Mexico offers more than just its famous beaches and expat cities. Discover hidden gems by doing a bit of extra research. Plan ahead if you must attend a specific event. Make reservations for hotels, meals, and even parking to avoid the crowd rush. If you've got any for your fellow travelers, or recommendations for great places to visit that people might not know about, and how to avoid the crowds in Mexico, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit mexiconewsdaily.com for more.